Namaste everyone. Well, in the last audio, we have discussed about the two terminologies. One is spirituality and another one is religion. And we would be focusing on these two concepts again, however, it would be in different connotation. Well, I believe so far you would have got an idea that our spirits are made up of same energy field, which is referred as zero-point energy field or unextinguishable field in modern science. Hence, we can conclude that humanity is one race, and that this takes our awareness towards the saying Vasudeva Kutumbakam. Now, let's focus on the concept of Sanatana Dharma, which literally means eternal or universal religion. So when we say universal religion, it has to be aligned with global coherence. And global coherence indicates with resonance the ideal frequency we should be promoting irrespective to the geographical boundaries, so that we can promote healing in a profound way, which is subject to human ascension. However, if we have to look esoterically, it should be related with the epicycle and cycles of yugas, which we can further relate with the concept of transcendence. So let us first understand how we can relate it scientifically. When we talk about the concept of global coherence, we should first get familiar with Schumann resonance, the earth frequency. So logically we can say, once we are tuned to the earth frequency, our left and right hemisphere of the brains get synchronized. This is the theta level, theta wave frequency. I believe you would be familiar with EEG machines. There are 5 waves which can be captured through this tool. Theta wave is the ideal phase which portrays the synchronization between the left and the right hemisphere of the human brain. And this is the state where you are more intuitive, and transcendence or tuning to the subtle world comes with the intuitive faculty. So it's about tuning to the earth frequency, which is extremely low frequency, and then moving it towards the UV light and beyond. It's moving towards the source, the zero-point energy field. So once we are attuned to that, we are creating more of energy reserves. Whereas when we are below UV light, we are generating more of matter within our system. For an instance, if we consider the 4th level of consciousness within the human system as the state where UV light generates, I'm referring it to the heart chakra, where the individual soul and the cosmic soul resides, as mentioned in the Shastras. And we have related this entire phenomenon in with respect to entropy in my previous video. You can listen to the entire conversation in that. However, here I just try to make the things very precise, simple, and clear so that it could be understood by everyone. So, when we liberate ourselves with the feeling of heart rate, anger, aggression, that's where the intuitive faculty dawns within us. We are liberated with the heavy thoughts. And we start promoting the ideal frequency which is required for healing. Whereas when we are at the UV light and below, it's about the negative thoughts and emotions of heart rate, jealousy, anger. That where the energy depletes. Here we are creating more of matter within the human system. So we can conclude that it is about promoting the frequency which is higher than UV light. That's the ideal state of global coherence. Whereas if we talk about the subtle aspect which we relate with the mysticism of yoga, it's about tuning to the concept of Atma Vidya, the higher knowledge, which comes under the schools, one of the schools of metaphysics, which we have been talking about.